This main timeline, timeline 1 for me, is I would say like not my actual project, but it's the program that we're gonna end up seeing. Track 1 has the multicam, has another timeline in it, which has all my other camera angles right here. So it's like editing a timeline within a timeline. And then what I've been doing, once I had laid out my multicam timeline, I did a pass through of just watching it, doing a bunch of cuts. And then I started getting experimental, and all I've been doing is basically duplicating the track 1 videos to track 2 and 3. So this and this are exactly the same thing. And then I've been experimenting with different ways of doing composites. So if you go here into the inspector, you have these composite modes. So I've been using a lot of the color burn, difference, overlay, things like that. And you can change the opacity of it. So for example, if this one was flipped and I brought down the opacity to 50%, then you get a little bit of that video too. So I'm just chugging along the timeline just to give you an idea. If I go back to, here's sort of the introduction.